bunch of lime on this pipe, Dad.
Yeah, I know.
A bunch of lime. So, only thing I can tell you is don't touch.
It looks like they basically sprayed lime up underneath here too, just in case it splattered up onto the wood.
Dad,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go to the next room. See?
You're gonna crawl down there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Under here.
Can you crawl down?
Yeah, I
Gotta
can.
really get low.
You have to duck your head, Dad. Duck your head.
Oh, man.
Oh.
It's pretty tight.
One.
Yeah, watch out this. See how it's wet? It's because of the liquid that was in the orange
So don't
canisters.
touch that orange bomb.
Yeah, just preferably not.
Hey, Dad. This is where the bedroom is. This is where the bedroom is. That's the bedroom bathroom.
Yeah.
I'll check the bedroom bathroom. Ooh, bunch of lime right here, Dad. I farted. The lime got rid of that quick.
Yeah, it's not bad down here.
Checking for any poo?
Yeah, there's nothing down here. I was just checking really for the smell and to see what they did with the pipes.
Hey, Dad?
Smells fine here, so any residual smell that's upstairs, that's up in our house is
Dun, dun.
will just go away in time.
Hey, but Dad,
Yep.
I'm gonna search the bathroom.
What do you mean search the bathroom?
Like my bathroom for any poo.
There isn't. That's right underneath there, Dexter. Here, come over here. You can't go around that way. I don't want you climbing over the pipe. Oh.
You really think I could climb over that pipe?
Ow. I just, not really sure what... Oh, there it is.
What?
I was wondering where they put the condensation line for the furnace. See, it's capped there. That used to be open. Now it's capped, which is good.
Okay. So where's the angled part?
So here... That's the line right there
Okay.
that
It can-
Grandpa Terry installed outside so that the condensation goes outside. And here's the
Okay,
pipe
Dad.
that they ran up underneath and tied it back there somehow. All right, that's cool.
Look at all
So it's
this
off the
lime.
ground.
Look at all this lime.
Yeah, it takes a lot of lime to make sure you take care of the smell. I think
Just
it's
a normal
pretty good.
fart can be disintegrated in 1 second with this much lime.
It's actually cleaner back here than I think it's probably ever been. Looks good. All right, I'm gonna crawl back
I'm
here.
gonna go under there, under that pipe right
Dexter,
there.
you have to be very, very careful. Do not push on these or touch these pipes. If you're...
Can we just normally touch these like this?
No. You have to climb completely over them and not touch them.
Why?
Because if you touch them and put any weight on them, it could crack or loosen some of the connections, okay?